running a business can be extremely overwhelming and, even sometimes frustrating. And even with a huge team and the best equipment, the best tools, getting the best kind of coaching available, it can still even be very difficult. So let me share with you the one biggest mistake that I made when I first started off. Hi, my name is Chris Iglesia, and I help business owners and entrepreneurs automate their sales and marketing processes so they can double their revenue in 90 days. And we do this via a proven method called the Way of Profit. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you and showing you exactly step by step how to actually not make the same exact mistake I did. All right. So if you don't want to wait to the end, go ahead, comment down below, say send it, and I'll send you over the guide and the show notes on this video so you won't have to miss a beat, right? No email or opt-in required. My gift to you. So again, by the end of this video, you're going to learn on how to not make this one big mistake for your business. And let me tell you this. The first thing I did that really slowed me down was not getting a mentor or coach. And I just kept on watching all these different YouTube videos because I just didn't have the time or money to invest in it at the time, right? However, in the long run, it ended up hurting me a lot. And it slowed down my process of, replacing my income that I was making from my current job. And it really just put me and put me to the ground almost. And I felt very uncomfortable, and I felt afraid and scared. And the number one thing that you got to do is just focus on your 90-day plan. So create your 90-day plan. What's included in a 90-day plan? You want to have your 30-day goal. You want to have it your actionable strategy, right? So in your 30 days, how many people can you create conversations with? Because conversations are the fastest way to conversions, right? That's how we get more sales. That's how we convert our prospects into customers fast. A lot of people think it's just magic and everything, but in reality, it's just building these relationships and, actually being authentic human beings and building connections with the other person and helping them out with their problems and solving their problems. That's the way we gain trust and build authority. So, number one, invest into a mentor and get a coach. Number two, the second thing is I was kept on following every single marketing trend out there. I kept getting every single app, and it just made me not focus on my strategy, right? It kept on making me be like, okay, so this is going to make me get more sales from my next product, right? This is going to help me fill more seats in my event. If I do this, I'm going to have an advertisement that's definitely going to have like a 30x return on it. Yeah, I was totally wrong. What you need to make sure you have instead is that you have to make sure that you have your website and funnel strategy in check. And now, what does that mean? That means that you stick to one strategy, one funnel, and you go and act on it and execute it. So don't go and create all these different kind of offers, all these different products, because it's kind of throwing off your audience, right? You want to be able to solve their problem, and really honing in on that messaging and who your target audience is and who you're speaking to is the key. And that moves me on to the next point. Who are you targeting? We don't want to be targeting our friends and family all the time. We want to be targeting the people who are actually need our help. And how do we do that? We go ahead and we do keyword research. And that sounds boring as hell, but you just go on Google and you just literally search for questions that your industry constantly has. All right? So that is the biggest mistake that any business owner can make when starting off their business or just any stage of their business in general. So go ahead, comment below for today's show notes and say send it, and I'll go ahead and send you over today's show notes and guide. No email or opt-in is required, and it's my gift to you for staying to the end of this video. So if you don't want to miss out on any other of these videos and notes that I'm going to be giving away for free, go ahead, subscribe, like this video so YouTube could show this video to other people who will like this, and then also share this video to anyone else who this may help. Because in the next couple of weeks and the next few days, I'm going to be releasing a lot more videos and content so you can start growing your business today and doubling your revenue in 90 days. All right? So be happy, breathe, relax, and don't let bad thoughts hold you back. All right? Have a nice day, everyone.